She was just one of many, young, hopeful, and trying to stay safe in a world where HIV is still a threat. For her, staying safe meant using medication that could protect her from getting infected before possible exposure. A preventive pill taken regularly to stop HIV before it even had a chance. But every month she would walk into a clinic, heart pounding, to receive her injection. Not because she didn't care about her health, but because the experience felt cold, clinical, and sometimes even shameful. She hated the needles. She hated the looks. She wanted something simpler, something that fit into her life without reminding her she was at risk. And then, at the International AIDS Society Conference 2025 in Rwanda, something remarkable was announced, something that could transform the way we think about HIV prevention. Scientists from Merck, also known as MSD, unveiled new data on a once-monthly oral pill called MK-8527. This pill isn't just another drug. It represents a shift in how we deliver care, how we empower people, and how we fight this epidemic. For decades, pre-exposure prophylaxis meant taking a pill every day or going for painful injections every 2 months. And while those options have saved lives, they haven't worked for everyone. Some people forget. Others can't keep up with clinic visits. Many simply don't want needles. MK-8527 changes the game. Just one pill, taken once a month, no needles, no daily reminders, no complicated appointments. The Phase 2 trial showed encouraging results. Over 90% of participants took all their doses, and protective levels of the drug were achieved within hours. Even if someone forgot their dose for a few days, the medication stayed in their system long enough to keep them protected. And the side effects? Mostly mild, things like headache or fatigue, no more than what was seen with a sugar pill. There were no new HIV infections, no serious safety issues, just hope. What makes this even more exciting is who this could help. Young women and adolescent girls in countries like Kenya, South Africa, and Uganda. People who face stigma, lack of access, and barriers to care. People who deserve options that respect their dignity and privacy. That's why the upcoming Phase 3 trials, backed by the Gates Foundation and the International Clinical Research Center at the University of Washington, are so important. If these trials go well, this pill could become one of the most accessible and user-friendly tools in our HIV prevention arsenal. Science is not just about statistics. It's about stories. Stories like hers. The woman who was afraid of needles. The man who forgot to take his daily pill. The teenager who didn't want anyone to know she was protecting herself. MK-8527 may be just a pill, but for many it represents something bigger. A second chance. A safer future. A world where protecting yourself doesn't mean sacrificing your comfort or your pride. And as the trials move forward and more people hear about this new option, the message is clear. HIV prevention is evolving, and it's evolving with you in mind. So if you or someone you love has ever struggled with staying consistent or comfortable with prevention, know this: the world hasn't stopped working on better solutions, and this could be one of them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss updates on groundbreaking research like this. And don't stop here. Watch our other videos to learn more about the future of HIV prevention and the powerful options available to you and your loved ones. We're here to share hope, one story at a time.